Hey, what's up, everybody? Got a 1997 Honda Civic, 4-door, 1.7 liter D16Y7 engine. It's the panty dropper. So, 97 Honda Civic, and what I'm doing is a CV axle half shaft replacement. The reason why I'm doing it is if you come here, you can see that the boot is busted and the grease has slungeth. You can see it right there. It's all right there, and probably along this inner fender well. But I knew that was coming. You can see where it's cracked right there, kinda, sorta, right there. Yeah. But I saw that coming. I saw it was cracked already, and you know, just preventive maintenance, and then I wouldn't have to clean up a bunch of grease. Should have went ahead and replaced it at that time, but just noticed that it slung a bunch of grease, and I was about to install one of those wheel hub LED kits somewhere in here. Not sure exactly where I want to place it right now. I'm just kind of scoping it out right now. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and just replace this axle shaft while we're down here. First thing you gotta do, take off that nut. Next thing you're gonna do, disconnect your tie rod. So you're gonna have to pull out that cotter pin right there. Take off that nut. Then on your ball joint down here at the bottom, you're gonna have to take out that cotter pin and take out that nut. I think everything's 17 millimeter. Push the half shaft through here, pull the steering knuckle forward, and slide out the axle shaft. So I'm gonna show you how to do all of that right here, right now. Alright, I'm gonna set you up right here. Hold on one sec. Alright, let's go. Alright, check you out here. Ooh, the bugs are coming out. Fucking hate you. Alright. Let's fucking do this shit. Damn. Bastards are coming out now. Alright, first thing you gotta do, knock off this axle nut. Get your axle nut off. Shut that down. Here. Fucking bitch ass bugs. Picked a fine time. Knew I should have done this shit during the daytime. Alright. Yeah, here now. Fuck. Alright, boom. I'm gonna take off your cotter pin. Right there. It's your tie rod right there. And you got this freaking cotter pin right in here. What I do is I just grab them from the other side and try to see it. Let me get some good fucking Alright. All that grease done slung out. Fucking just cut them off. Pull them through. Fuck it. Alright. Anyway, I just fucking cut it off. Pulled it right through. Bam. I got a nice little place I can set y'all up at. Right in here. Maybe. Alright, so I'm going to take this cotter pin out right here. Motherfucker. Big ass goddamn. Stand out here in the country, man. All them goddamn big ass mosquitoes and shit. Them some bitches huge. Fucking just cut it off and pull it through. Just yank them out. And I believe these are all 17s. But to find out. Yep, 17. Yep, 17. Hitting with the 3/8 impact. One Mississippi. Two Mississippi. Alright, boom. Boom, sitting to the side. I wonder if I can. Ew. You have to shock these with hammers. Show you what I'm talking about. Alright. You're gonna have to hit the ball joint. Boom. Hot damn. Booting everything, huh? That about a bitch. Anyway, I'm gonna leave that there for a minute. Alright, same thing down here. And what I'm gonna do is just pry it. Prop hard. Just what I'm talking about. How about let's get a bigger pry bar. Still not coming. I have to hit it some more. fucking oh yeah. You know what? Sorry, I just had a duh moment. There's a 17. I need to take off right there. That and that. Go together. Let's see if that helped out. Still nothing. Just turn it like that, and you really see where it's busted. This out the way. Damn. Really? Fuck. Let's see. Well, wonder. Possibly could get that out just like that. Alright, bigger fucking hammer. Alright, got a big hammer right here. Hit right there. On the bottom. Alright. just because I can, I'm coming here with an air hammer. Push that through. Go. Next thing you gotta do is get up under here. Basically, it's already out. Get it all disconnected and everything. Alright. Back over here. I don't know if you can see it. Bam. There we go, right there. I'm gonna pry right here. And let's see if I can do it too. See, right here, just pried right between there and came out. All right. So now we can pull it all the way out. There you go. There's your half shaft right there. The fuck is all these damn bugs? Ew. Pieces of shit. Anyway, there it is. Alright, let's go get a new one. Alright, here we go. Man, I was gonna do the other side tonight too, man, but these goddamn bugs, man. These bitches out here damn humping everything. Motherfucker, get the fuck out of here. Damn, humping all my shit, man. What the fuck? They out here little. I mean, I don't know what the fuck's wrong with them. So I'm coming on over here, and all I'm gonna do is slide it right in here. Alright, I got it lined up. Kind of went in there, and what I like to do, come over here, pull this back, lined up. Alright, get it splined. See it's turning. Alright. Push that bitch in. Alright. heard it pop in there. So boom, that's in there. Alright, once you got it splined in there, all you gotta do is just push it through. Oh shit, my battery about to die. Sorry, battery's dead. Died there, but anyway. Put the boot back on there. Tighten those back up. Put cotter pins in. Bent the brake shield a little bit. Bent it back to where it's supposed to be. Tighten that down. And we just slap the tire back on. Good to go. Fucking bugs win tonight. Can't deal with it. I can't do it. I was gonna do the other side, but man, I got a fucking bug in my eye, and man, fuck this shit. Damn, working that night. I mean, this is cool if you was gonna be working that shop. Look at this shit, man. Look at this shit. Look, you see that big motherfucking ant right there? It's a fucking cow ant. I'm talking about these some bitches just, man, everywhere out here, man. They getting in the you see them big ass goddamn mosquitoes, man? Them some bitches is like semi-truck big. I mean regular fucking mosquitoes, yo. Goddamn mutant hybrid country bred mosquitoes. Regular goddamn mosquitoes out here, man. This shit ridiculous right here. Anyway, just spray this down a little bit. Brake clean. Spray them damn bugs with some brake clean too. All y'all motherfuckers, die, 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 motherfuckers, die. Shit, kill all you bitches. God damn it. Yeah, how you like that? How's it taste, motherfucker? You like that shit? Huh? Huh? Yeah, get some. Get some, motherfucker. Get some. God damn it. Motherfucker. Homeboy can get some too. God damn it. Take that. Take that, take that, take that. Bad boy, baby. Oh, look at that motherfucker right there. Ah, yeah. That damn cow ant ain't like that shit. Anyway, these motherfuckers, boy, they just keep coming back. Reinforcements and shit. Man, I gotta get the fuck out of here, man. These goddamn bugs, man. Anyway, we'll fucking do the other side tomorrow when there's some daylight and the goddamn bugs ain't out here that bad. Anyway, appreciate you watching. This is Driver's Side CV Axle Shaft Replacement. Don't forget to subscribe. Deuces.